Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a water pump from one pressure of 16 psia to 71 psia. So there's a change in pressure. Find the power input in horsepower needed to maintain the volume flow rate of 0.8 feet cubed per second. Would the temperature affect the water pump inlet required for this flow? Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a low pressure on one end, and then it becomes a high pressure on the other end, and this is the pump. Step 2, list all the given variables and find the unknown. So the final pressure is 71 psia, the initial pressure is 16 psia, the volume flow rate is 0.8 feet cubed per second. We're trying to find power. Power in this case is W dot, which is work flow rate in a sense. W being work and the flow rate being the dot above. Step 3, find the power formula. So W dot is equal to V dot multiplied by the change in pressure. So V dot being volume flow rate, of course. And then the pressures are given. Step 4, find the power. So plug and play. So here's our volume flow rate, as you can see. And then it's final minus initial pressure. And then we've got our conversion unit to convert into horsepower. So we convert psia foot cubed into British thermo units. And then we convert BTU into horsepower. So the final output will be 11.5197 horsepower. If you're going to round to one decimal place, it'll be 11.5 horsepower. So water does not affect the power required. So as you can see from the formula, temperature doesn't affect the power. So the only time that the temperature would affect the inlet is if it's frozen. So if the water is frozen, it won't be pumping. Okay, so disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can save this video using Snipping Tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on your icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Once you have it open, click on Video option, click on New, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.